Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI image with the help of Bing Image Creator. So Microsoft or Bing have this cool platform that allows you to create an AI image with only with a few words. So all you have to do is just to add a prompt into this box right here, and the AI is going to help you create this AI image. So you can actually use whatever browser. I'm using Chrome right here. If you're using Chrome, all you have to do is just to type in Bing AI Image Creator, and then it's going to bring you to the site right here. But if you're using the Microsoft browser, if you're using this, you're going to be able to find this Copilot. They call it Copilot. So the AI for Microsoft is called the Copilot, and if you click on this very edge of your screen right here, you're going to find the symbol, and you can also click Control Shift and then period symbol to activate it. Over here, you're going to be able to open the AI section. So you can see Copilot uses AI, check mistakes, terms and privacy, etc. So let's say that I want to create an AI image. You can just type in, I want to create an AI image. Go ahead and click enter. And as you can see, Copilot says, I'll try to create that. And you can actually create an image just from these sections right here. I'm gonna enlarge it so that you can see it better. Okay, so you can see it's already creating my image right here. I'm going to wait until it's done generating, and you can see that you can actually change it even more after you ask it to create an AI image for you. For example, you can ask it what kind. For example, you can ask it to create it into a cat. With this, can you make it a cat prompt? Or you can also describe your AI image even more. So this one is still creating. I'm going to try to create another one. Create an AI image of a frog wearing a princess gown. Oh, I actually created a typo over there. Let's see if it could still work, even though I made a typo. The Copilot is saying that I'll create that. The image is still generating, and I'll show you once it's done. Alright, I got the second image done. Let's try and take a look at it. It's actually not what I was hoping for. But it does bring me to the actual web, the Copilot web. If you remember when I opened it on my Chrome, it actually brings me to this Copilot image generator too. So again, not necessarily what I'm searching for. I was asking for a frog with a crown. A frog wearing a princess dress. But these are the images that I got, and they're not bad. Actually, they're pretty cool. I think they're pretty cool. Okay, let's try to see. So the first image is still in progress, and it says that I can click on Image Creator to show me. Okay, so this is the first one. I was asking for an AI image, and it gave me this as the result. I think they're pretty cool. So yeah, so if you're using the Microsoft browser, you're going to be able to directly create your AI image without having to go to the Copilot website or without having to go to the Copilot platform to create your AI image. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Chrome browser, and we're going to try to create an an AI pictures from here. Let's see if there's a different. So all you have to do is create some prompt, and in case you have no idea what to put, you just want to try it out, all you have to do is go to Google and type in examples of AI image prompt. Okay, and then it's going to give you some prompts that you can use when you first want to try out your image. I'm just going to use this one's right here. Let's say I want the underwater seascape and see how it will works. I'm just going to copy it and then paste it over here. Alright, so this is how it looks like, and mind you that before you will be able to create this AI image with another browser, you will have to sign in into your Microsoft account. If you haven't have one, you can just create it. It's totally for free, but before you create all of your AI image through the Bing AI image creator, you will have to sign in first into your Microsoft account. Besides being able to create images from different web browser, you will be able to see all of your AI image before. If you remember, I created this too on the Microsoft web browser, and it's still here because I've already logged in into my Microsoft account. So right here, these are the image that they gave me for underwater seascapes. And if I want to take a look at it closer, I just have to click on it. I think they look beautiful, and you can share it if you want in the form of link, or you can just download it, or you can even customize it even more. Let's see what happens if we customize it. If you click on customize, it's going to bring you to designer.microsoft.com. This is actually an image editor in where you can edit the text. Maybe you want to add some text to it, or you want to remove the background, blur the background. It's basically a photo editor from Microsoft. We're not going to do that for now. Just going to focus on the AI image. So these are the first image that we have. And if you notice, besides the prompt text box, you will find this lighting symbols right here, and it says that creates images more quickly with boosts. If you run out, image generator might take longer. So you actually have a limit to your AI creation in a fast kind of way. After you finish all of your boost, you'll still be able to create more images, but it might take longer. So I'm going to try and finish my boost and see how long will it take to create an image without boost. So let's try once again. I'm going to try to create dark dungeon. I don't want to see what it make. Go ahead and click on create. And it's still creating. So I guess it takes around 20 seconds. Not really. To create an AI image with boost. Apparently, one image or one prompt equals one boost. Okay, so these are the result of my dungeon. I think it looks pretty cool. And I'm going to try and use the surprise me button to see what will they get me. Alright, so when you click on your surprise me button, unlike many others AI image creating website, it will not create the image immediately. It will just give you the prompt. So it's going to help you create an idea, but it will not give you the end result. So let's say you want to use this idea, but you still want to add some more to it. You can go ahead and add more words before you create your image. For example, it only says lemon surrealist painting. Let's say I want it to be lemon cake surrealist painting. Let's see the result. So while you're waiting, they will give you this kind of tip. Says tip, describe an image that doesn't exist. Try a grizzly bear dressed as a cowboy walking into a crowded salon bar during the Wild West digital art, which is very amusing because while you're waiting, you actually get more tips and more information instead of not doing anything. Alright, so I got my lemon cake in a surrealist painting style. I think it's very interesting. Very interesting. Alright, so I'm going to go off screen and try to finish all of my boost. Alright, so as you can see, I have finished all of my boost, and it says here that I can create faster with Microsoft Rewords. Image generations take longer without boost. If I want to speed it up, I can use 500 rewards points for 5 more boosts. So if you want to know how much reward points do you have, you can click on the sections right here on top of the create button. You'll be able to see your rewards. Currently I only have 166, and you'll be able to earn more if you're finishing all of the tasks that I said over here. But I'm just going to test how it will looks like if I create an AI image without the boost. So let's see. Okay, so if you remember, it actually takes around 10 to 20 seconds when I create the boost with when I create the image with the boost, and I'm going to see how long will it takes without the boost. Alright, so it actually takes around 3 minutes. It takes minutes for it to create just one prompt. So the boost was definitely necessary. Make sure you don't play around with your boost and using it unnecessarily like I did, but for the sake of this tutorial, here it is. I've shown you. So there's quite a huge gap of waiting time between using the boost and not. But that's basically it. That is how you can create an AI image with Bing AI Image Creator. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.